guys? Ready to make some money?
Yes, sir.
Guys, good morning. It is Emanuel again. I'm going to show you a little how-to video, a little tip to speed up your work in the restaurant. You know what I mean? I'm just kidding. But look, I'm going to show you how to roll up silverware quickly, because I know some restaurants, they make you wait to the end of the night and stuff, and it can feel like a lot, especially if you're not that fast at it. It can make you feel like it takes a long time. And if you're not fast at it, then it's going to take you a long time to do them. And I'm going to show you the best way to do it quickly and efficiently. Basically, what you need to do is line it up like this, go like that, make sure it's tight right here, hold right here, and roll. You see that? I did it slow so that you'd catch it. Now look, I'm going to do it another time fast. Well, actually, I'll show you one more time slow. So basically, you're going to do this in the center, tight crease. The tight crease is important. And see, hold up fast. Now one time fast. Perfect, see? Another one, just so you don't think I sped up the video. Crease, hold, see what I mean? Boom. That's how you do it. Look, if you want to get faster putting the little bands on it, look, I have a way. See that? Did you see that? Boom, see? Look, I'll do it again. Boom, see? What you need to do, find the sticky part. You can see, well, you can't, like, see that sticky part? Find that. Find where the thing is starting, the napkin. Put it like that. Get the other hand, and then basically all you're doing is rolling it. Do you see what I did with my fingers? You see that? Look, I'll do it again. That was a slow one. But the thing is, when you get fast, boom. See that? You see that? This will really help you at the end of the night. Look. See that? Perfect. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you made it to the end, please subscribe for more content. I'll be posting every day. Thanks. Or most of the days. I'm going to try to post as much as I can. Have a great day, guys. Subscribe and like. Thank you so much.